What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making southern fried catfish. We hope y'all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. For this recipe, you will need catfish, seasoned oil, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, Louisiana hot sauce. Crab barrel is optional, eggs, mustard, yellow cornmeal, and all-purpose flour. First, we're going to place our fish in a bowl and season with seasoned oil, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, crab barrel seasoning, and cayenne pepper. Then mix until each piece is evenly coated. Next, we're going to beat 2 eggs in a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of mustard and a generous amount of Louisiana hot sauce, and mix. The next step can be done 2 different ways. You can either place your fish in the egg wash or pour the egg wash over your fish and mix as we did. Next, we're going to place our fish to the side and begin on our dry batter. In a bowl or container, add 2 cups of yellow cornmeal, 2 cups of flour, and season with seasoned oil, cayenne pepper, black pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder, and whisk. Now it's time to coat our fish. We're going to begin by shaking off the excess egg wash and placing our fish in the batter. Pat and flip. Shake off any excess batter and place on the cooling rack. Preheat arrow to 375 degrees. Drop fish in and allow it to cook for 3 to 5 minutes on each side or until golden brown. And there you have it, southern fried catfish. Once again, we hope y'all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. And remember to tell everybody you know, them MFers be cooking.